Hello guys! We are having a trip at Clark Park.
Careful. I need Mickey sitting right by that. Put him by the window, you're right by him. Okay? Okay, then.
Rachel! What is that, Rachel? What is that? It's a bear!
And that's a turkey.
Oh!
That's a wolf and the other wolf. Oh, there's a snake.
What?
A snake.
Where?
There. Down there.
Oh, wow!
And right there. That is the eastern diamondback rattlesnake.
Oh, this is so cool. That wood?
No. Let's get up.
That wood
Don't fall in here. It's dirty.
The wood becomes strong.
Rachel, can I get a picture of you with the turkey? You look at me, Rachel, and I'll get you in the turkey. Okay, ready?
This is the Thanksgiving turkey.
Yummy. Hi, Mr. Turkey. We match.
Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble.
Look at guys. Look at this one, guys.
What is that noise?
From there. This is the eyes of the turtle. See? It's opening, guys. Wow, so cute. Yeah, this is a big turtle. Big turtle. Snappy turtle. Look at these eyes. So we are here. Rachel. Shell story. Oh, look at the snakes. Look at the snakes. Rachel and Paxton, see? Look at the snakes.
And look, there's a snake over there.
Oh. Whoa. Snakes. Different kinds of snakes.
Oh, that one's gonna get you. Right there. Oh, he's gonna get you.
Oh, see, I told you that was alive.
Careful, friend. That one in there is alive, isn't he?
You told me it was.
Oh, whoa.
He's up in the barrel.
Whoa.
Geo.
What's in there, Paxton?
I don't know. I don't.
I think it's a frog.
I know. I can't see.
There's no frog?
Yeah, no.
That's a turtle. That's right. Is it one turtle or two turtles? One turtle. Very good.
Yeah, I think it's a frog.
What's in there, Kaden?
I know. A turtle. Come on up here.
Oh, it's there.
A turtle. I'll show you.
The Eastern box turtle. Oh.
Look, cockroach. But come look
Oh,
at these,
look at the
Rachel.
turtle.
Rachel, come look. Rachel, come look.
What is that? Oh, whoa.
File. Rachel.
The Madagascar hissing cockroach.
Oh, it's real. Look, Rachel, look at those swimming. Look.
We don't go yet. Who's your partner? Haven, who's your partner? Macy. When Macy's ready, we'll go, okay? Say, Macy, are you ready?
Come on. Oh, it's another turtle. See? Oh, yeah.
Pretty girl. Hello, honey.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Let Emery, Nikki, and I, let's get our 3 masks.
No,
Where's Emery? Okay. Paula, where's Paula? Let's get a mask picture. Come on, Paula. Hop in here. Oh, that's right. Okay. Right, we can't take pictures. Okay, wait a minute. We're too far apart. Emery's got to get in there.
baby.
Okay, ready?
Miss Emery.
1, 2, and...
No, wait,
No.
Emery.
Okay, here. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Oh, let's go. Paxton. Come on, Paxi Pie. Paxton and Rachel, come on. Start from here. Ooh.
An owl.
Yes.
I don't like
Where are we, Rachel? Where are we, Rachel? We are at the...
nature center. I don't think that's real.
See, look at the nests. Oh, small.
3 eggs.
How many eggs?
3.
3 eggs.
Oh, look,
Oh.
it's closed. It's closed.
Oh, wow.
But it's closed. Come on, guys.
But we can't enter, guys. See? Cave closed during COVID
Look,
restrictions.
there's
But they-
there's something else.
But so nice. Okay, there's something else. Okay.
There's an alligator in here. Do you see him sitting on the rock? There he is.
All right.
There's the alligator.
Oh, this is the American alligator.
Those aren't real. If you want to see a real one, you have to look in there.
Oh,
Look in there.
very small alligator in here. It's a baby. Ooh. Baby alligator. Right, Ate?
Yeah.
What is this? Oh,
Julie, right there. You see him? Gio, honey, don't stand way down there because you might fall in.
ooh.
Did anybody see this big turtle over here? The real one.
Where?
You see him right here? The
Oh.
big one over here. Oh, he's a big one. He's big.
Just snapping to
He's a big one. He sure is a big one.
what? It's in there with a snake. It's closed with a snake. Miss Kim, it is closed.
Oh.
Did I sleep with their eyes open?
Big one.
I know it's dead.
Wow.
Is it really?
Turtle.
I think it's not real.
It is.
It is?
It was real last time we were here.
Oh, this is the eye. These are the eyes.
Yeah.
Look, the eyes.
He kind of looks dead.
Yeah.
Well, last time when he was right here. So
Mm. Look at this. Oh. Ate? Yes. Yana.
Now, if you find a turkey, our turkey is stuffed. Guess what our turkey is stuffed with? Candy. So there's 2 turkeys to find, okay?
Are you ready, Rachel? Go! Go, go, go! Go, ate. Oh, welcome na lang si baby. Let's go find the candy.
Come, let's look for the turkey.
Oh, wow! Paxton Van, show me your turkey! What? You're so lucky! Rachel, go!
Gobble, 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 gobble. Where's the other turkey? Oh, there's one more hidden. Oh, right.
Wow! Show me, Rachel! Wow!
Rachel, come on over here. Everybody come here for a picture. All right, good job finding the turkeys. Good job. All right, hold them up, you 2. All right, good job, everybody.
Yay!
All right. What, honey?
Butterfly did.
Butterfly?
Where's the other turkey? Well, they're not here yet. We have to wait for the other turkeys. Let's see if we can find some more. Okay?
I think cat
Miss G's, how we doing?
What do
All
I
right,
put
good
this?
job. Now,
Wow! Rachel found it! Woo!
Alora. Okay, Dad. We're staying right here. Okay, Gio. Right here.
Look at.
Okay, let's just hold up your picture, okay? Hey, stay right here.
What do you want? Yellow.
Yeah, I gotta put the stripes together for the girl. Tape it, and then she can put your.
Can we have one of yours? Yeah. I need help. Yeah, there's some right here.
Okay, Caleb, hold on, baby. I'll help you.
Oh.
Ready, Mud?
Yes, I'm doing it for him.
Yeah. All right. Are you ready?
Show me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, nice one. Show me yours, ate. Anong tawag yan, te?
Windsock.
Oh. Nice.
Okay, we need the other stuff.
We're waiting for Rachel's.
On this one. Here you go.
Oh, goodness.
Hana's is done. Oh, this could be like a handbag, like.
Yay. Nice.
Yeah, I'll just put it right here.
What color handles do you want?
So that's next on the line. Nice and pink.
I've got green, orange,
I
black,
wanted the
and
orange
white.
one, but then I should have got the orange one. That's right.
Yeah, the orange is very attractive.
Mine is this. Well, yeah.
Okay, hold it. No, no. Right there. Right there. There you go. Oh, I dropped it.
We can hang it up in the house.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Yay.
Can I do this?
So, Ate Yana, tell me what you do first.
So first you take a piece of paper and then you draw a pattern on it. And then you take this, you
Make a hole.
and then you take the string and loop it around like that. Then you put a handle on. I've never seen one of these.
Which side do you want on the outside? This one?
Oh, we're here. Come on, guys. Rachel. Rachel, come here.
They don't know what to do,
Come here.
they don't want to do it.
Whoa. It's so cold in here, guys.
I'm going to play now.
Look at the baby. How are you, baby? Are you okay, baby? Are you okay?
We've got about another hour before lunch. We're going to go to the nature center. And we're going to see
Oh, look at Yana. Yana. Rachel, can you? Oh, I think it's high for her. Yay. Yes, Macy Pie.
Hey, Julie Pie. I'm going to get you, Julie Pie. I'm going to get you, Julie Pie. Gabby, how you doing, honey? You have a good week? Yeah, it's okay? All right, where is Jeep? Okay. Can you go, you want to stay right here?
This is a very big park. This is so nice. So if you want to go to the restroom, so we will just go to that area, to that side. Very nice place. Go, Atiana. Atiana, I want you to try to climb over there. Huh? Just climb. Geopie! Hi, Geopie! Hello, Geopie! Okay. Rachel, here, Rachel!
Whoa.
Try it. Can you fix her bonnet, Atiana?
Okay. I don't want to jump because I will hurt myself. Ow.
Fix her bonnet? Nilagay lang din ng pagganon. Okay, Rachel. Go, Rachel. Go, go, go! You can do it, Rachel. Go, Rachel. Yes. Oh, I don't know if you can. You can use the stairs. Yes, my baby. Yes, my baby. Baby. Ellery.
Yeah. Yana is the bad guy, and she.
Ooh. Hello, my Geopie. Yes, go Geopie. Whoa. Bye bye. Rachel, Yana, go to that side. Oh, nice.
The plants are mostly dead.
Oh, nice.
Oh, look, it's a bicycle.
Yeah, there's a bicycle over there. Go, Rachel.
I think I see another one. It's over here. Let's go.
Oh, that's a big bicycle. Hang in there, Rachel. I'm coming.
My tire's flat.
Oh. Go, Tiana, try. Be careful. And Rachel in the other side. Whoa.
Look, there's a sign here.
Okay. Moses Mattis.
His gift.
His gift to this great community was the gift of happiness. Oh.
This is a state park. Oh, they took down the raccoon.
Where?
There used to be a raccoon over there.
Oh.
They took it out.
That side?
Yeah, like you can put your face.
Oh yeah, I remember we took pictures there.
Oh.
And the last time we went here. Park fun.
Saan yung horse ko? Nauna ko sila.
Only them came. Only Miss Leah's crew.
Oh, and later we're going to go to an animal center.
Oh.
Oh, and Miss Kim said we're going to have a turkey hunt.
Oh, yeah! I hope you can find one, Ate and Rachel. Huh?
I will.
Yeah. Find a turkey!
I think in those woods.
I don't know. Let's wait for Miss Kim.
Yeah. Yeah. We're going to go play now.
Alright, go play. Hello, Geopie. So what is that, Ate? What? A dinosaur?
It's a I don't know saurus.
What? I don't know, Soros.
Are you getting off, Lil?
Paxton, you have to be careful, Paxton, okay? And be kind. Be nice, Paxton.
Okay, get up there. Hold on, so you don't fall. Hey, bud.
Where are you going, guys? Ate Yana, did you remember our first visit here? You took a picture of those two? Yeah.
I'm Turtle Queen.
Oh, baby. Yes, my baby pie. Are you okay in there, my baby pie?